Erissery, pumpkin erissery, a side dish that we prepare for vegetarian prayers, festivals, and feasts. Today, you're going to learn to make this classic. Pumpkin erissery. Ingredients: half a pumpkin, half a cup of grated coconut, 2 dried red chilies, 3 small green chilies, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 stalks of curry leaves. If this is your first time cooking pumpkin erissery, start with half a pumpkin, remove the seeds and work your way from there. Once you get the hang of it, you can go ahead and multiply this recipe for a bigger serving. We can start by cutting the pumpkin up into more manageable chunks. Once you're done with that, gently peel the skin of the pumpkin. The next step is to roughly chop the pumpkin into bite-sized pieces. Heat a pot, don't add any oil, just throw in all of the pumpkin and add in about 1.5 to 2 cups of water, depending on how big your pumpkin was. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, add in 3 small green chilies which we have sliced halfway using a knife, add in less than a quarter teaspoon of turmeric for a little bit of color, give that a good mix, put the lid on and let that simmer gently on a medium flame for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's take a look. If the pumpkin falls apart easily, like this, it means that it's ready. You can turn off the flames and set this aside. Heat some oil in a wok, and once the oil is hot enough, add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin, 2 dried red chilies that have been sliced, and 2 stalks of curry leaves. After sauteing for 2 to 3 minutes, we can add in half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes until the coconut has turned into a wonderful, beautiful golden yellow. And then we can add in our cooked pumpkin. We are almost done. All you need to do is mix everything well and let everything just come together, and you will see your erissery coming to life. Just look at that wonderful color. Delicious. Let that simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the gravy becomes thicker. and taste it. If you need a bit more salt, add some salt. And if your pumpkin happens to be less on the sweet side, you could go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Erissery should be a bit sweet. That's what makes it special. Erissery is really close to my heart. Put that with rice, banana leaf, Indian side dishes, and you have a wonderful, wonderful lunch or dinner. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching.